Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in. Just a quick video today on a 2009 Honda Accord and how it has two settings when you lift up the hood. Okay, you can work on the front, change the oil, check the oil, anything you need up here in front, nice setting. If you want to get to the back, there you go. The back there, all I need on the back side, anything for exhaust, works great. You can put the hood pin there, or push the hood up a little higher and hook it right there, and that holds it up a little bit higher, and it's very convenient when you're working on the back side of the engine. So I told you it was going to be quick and easy and simple, but I thought it was worthwhile to share with everybody. I hope this helps somebody out there. Like and subscribe.